Just when your toolbox was flooding with red hand tools, Milwaukee dropped all new and improved hand tools. With all new screwdrivers, insulated tools, wire termination, and more, the Mario Bros can't believe how far we've come.
Alright, let's go.
Starting us off is the 11-in-1 magnetic multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 29, 14. This screwdriver has 8 bits and 3 nut drivers and features triangular handles, or tri-lobed as Milwaukee calls them. That combined with the screwdriver's magnetic tips gives you more leverage and stability to drive screws efficiently. These bits are also resistant to wear and tear from hardened screws. Next is the 14-in-1 Shockwave Impact Duty multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 29, 15. Which is a durable impact-resistant tool with bits and wear guard tip for increased durability. The shock zone absorbs peak torque, which prevents breaking, and the custom alloy 76 steel provides up to 50 times life versus other impact driver bits on the market. Now to the 13-in-1 magnetic multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 29, 17. With powerful rare earth magnets, this screwdriver provides secure fastener retention. Best for the electricians, it comes with bits resistant to wear and can be stored conveniently in the handle. That way you don't have yet another thing on your tool belt. Onto the multi-tool driver, 48, 22, 29, 20, which includes 7 nut driver sizes, a 1/4 inch hex key, and a 1/4 inch square drive. The slim handle is comfortable, and the anti-peel cushion grip design keeps your tool from looking like a banana peel. Milwaukee also rolled out all new and updated 1000 volt insulated tools, which includes pliers, wire strippers, and multi-bit screwdrivers. Each of these new insulated tools are certified to all the fancy electrician standards that you all love to hear about, right? Starting us off is the 1000 volt insulated 8-inch diagonal cutting pliers, 48, 22, 2208. These pliers feature a tapered nose for easy access and an iron carbide edge to provide you more cuts than standard pliers. Plus they are flame retardant, so you might be good for roasting mini marshmallows for the kids. Next is the 1000 volt insulated 9-inch lineman's pliers, 48, 22, 2209. These pliers also feature an iron carbide edge. The standout feature is these pliers have a cross-hatched knurled jaw that helps you get an Iron Man grip on those suckers. The 1000 volt insulated 1020 AWG wire stripper and cutter, 48, 22, 22, 14 can accurately strip 10 to 18 solid and 12 to 20 standard wire. They can also cut number 6 and number 8 bolts. Now moving on to the bits, the 4-in-1 1000 volt insulated slim tip multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 22, 16. These easy to swap out bits make the perfect addition to your tool collection. Its featured slim tip allows you to easily access tight spaces. It comes conveniently stored in a durable bag for easy transportation. There is also a 8-in-1 1000 volt insulated slim tip multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 22, 18 that provides more bit sizes with all the same goodies as the 4-in-1. Next is the 8-in-1 1000 volt insulated precision multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 22, 17. This features a 360-degree rotating back cap, which provides greater control for increased speed and precision on the job. These 5 insulated hand tools also come in a kit. That part number is 48, 22, 22, 15. Experience true versatility with the 9-in-1 punch-down multi-bit screwdriver, 48, 22, 2902. It is a perfect tool for professionals by combining a screwdriver with a punch-down blade, allowing it to provide 9 different functions with just one hand tool. Up next, the Twisted Pair Install Kit, 48, 22, 8101. This is a complete set that includes tools for preparing twisted pair cables. It has the impacting punch down, ratcheting modular, crimper and stripper, and UTP stripper. The armored cable cutter 4822 6111 is a self-adjusting armor clamp that allows quick cut depth switch so you can easily switch between standard and reduced armor sizes. This cutter also features easy blade replacement changes. The pipe lock billet torpedo level 4822 5110 is a tool designed for bending conduit. It has strong magnets, smooth surfaces, and the ability to display 0, 30, 45, and 90-degree angles. It also includes a groove for pipes and clearance for weld beads. Last but not least, the digital angle gauge 48, 22, 5602. It simplifies digital navigation with an auto-rotating screen, angle assist arrows, and real-time measurements. The amplified rare earth magnets ensure secure attachment. Now that you know about the new Milwaukee hand tools, it's time to go and level up your tools. The best place to do it is Ohio Power Tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. Best for the electricians.